If you want to make money like this channel, then you will be at the right video. Assuming you need to make cash on YouTube Shorts without appearing your face, without talking into the mouthpiece, and without making the recordings yourself, you're on the right video. I've helped many individuals how to do this system with extraordinary achievement. What's more, the large contrast I see between individuals that succeed and individuals that fizzle is the capacity to bet everything. Since, supposing that you do envision what your life can be like, doing anything you desire at whatever point you need, I'm demonstrating how to do this in under 30 minutes of the day in a real sense. Simply follow this video venture by step. I'll show you a product that makes this incredibly straightforward for you to do, and best of all, it's 100% allowed to utilize any place on the planet. Today I show you how you can earn money on YouTube without monetize your channel. You don't need to monetize your channel for this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe first. Like this video if you like. First channel example is Smart Home Gadgets, which is verified by YouTube, and they got 1.25 million subscribers. Now you can see that they usually just upload shorts videos, and YouTube Shorts videos is maximum 1 minute, just like TikTok. Now you can see their videos views, which is 100,000 plus views in some videos, and they just upload kitchen and home gadgets, and they get their video from Amazon and AliExpress. They use their affiliate program, earn money with bonus. You can also do the same like this channel. Now if we see their earning stats in Social Blade, now you can see their last 30 days views is more than 74 million, which is the very best. If see their monthly estimate is $19,000 to $308,000, which is very huge amount. Now see their daily videos views as 2 million plus views and 3 million plus views. See their daily subscribers. Now the second example channel is New Smart Utilities. This channel also is verified by YouTube, and they hide their subscribers. I don't know why, but we can see that in Social Blade. Now you can see their videos, which is less than 1 minute, which means that these are the shorts videos. They also upload kitchen and home gadgets videos, but I show the best videos and better than this for shorts, through which you can earn huge amount of money. And you can see their videos views is more than 10,000 and 12,000, and some videos more than 15,000, but you can do better than this if you work hard. Now see their estimate stats in Social Blade. Now see their last 30 days views more than 2 million, which is not bad. And see their monthly estimate is $536 to $8.60, which is good, not bad. Now see their daily videos views 53,000 and 57,000 and 43,000. And you can see their subscribers, which is 153,000, which is good. Now I show you where you can get videos without any copyright. First go to the TikTok website and app what you want. First you have to sign up our account in there. After that you can get any video which you want, because this is also the without copyright claim or copyright strike videos. Now first you have to the search hashtag Instant Karma in the search bar. After that you can click on videos. We need videos. Now you can see there is a lot of videos they show you, which is you can use without any copyright fear, because this is free copyright videos. Now play any video which you want to download, which you can see that this is best. I open this video. Now you can see that video. You can see that at the right there is link. You can copy the link of the video. Now go to Google and search the TikTok video downloader. Now you can open the first link, which is SSS TikTok. Now you have to paste the link here and click on the download button. And they converting video weight. And now you can see that they show download without watermark is the first link, and without watermark 2 is the second link. Now you can link on the download button and they show ad, click on the close. Now you can see your video is to download, click OK and start the download. Now next step, go to the Canva website. You can see Canva website. Click on the Create Design button. and search the ads. Now you can see there is the story ads option there, you have to click on it. Now you can see they go to there. It took some time there for loading, you need to better Wi-Fi for this. Now click on the upload button and upload your video. You can see that I already upload videos. I used one of these video. Now adjust this video, you can adjust according to you which you like. Now their timeline, make it up to 25 seconds. And now click on the ad page. Now you can see there is another page. Now you can add another video. And adjust that video according to you. And set their timeline, not make more than 1 minute. After that, you can add some text for making good looking video. There is so many texts. Now after that, download your video in MP4. You can see downloading is starting. Now last step is to upload the video. You have to upload at least 3 to 4 videos on daily basis. If you like this video, then subscribe this channel for more video like this.